welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to install Magic Lantern firmware onto your Canon DSLR. First of all, you're going to need, of course, your Canon DSLR, your SD card, and a PC. So let's get started. First of all, you want to format your SD card, so just put it into your camera. And do a low level format. Once it's done, turn the camera off and take the SD card out. Okay, we've moved on to our PC. Now we are in Magic Lantern's official website. You want to go to the downloads section and nightly builds. You see, there are stable builds, but you can't access them anymore. These are basically the stable builds. So you go here and choose your camera. In our case, it's our 1100D. So I'm gonna go here and download this zip archive. Okay, now open the archive and extract it to a folder. And you're gonna have these three, this folder and these two files. You wanna copy them over to your SD card. And now we'll move back to our camera. Okay, here we are. Now take the SD card with the files inserted and insert it into the camera. Now boot it up and check that you're in manual shooting mode. Go into menu and we'll go into firmware version and press OK. Magic Lantern installer will open. Okay, now Magic Lantern is installed, but there is still one thing you have to do. Remember to turn off your camera before this timer runs out, or it will uninstall. So take the SD card out. Remember to check that the LED has lit up before taking out the card, or you could deal some severe damage to your camera. And back to the PC. Okay, so here we are again. Insert the SD card into your PC and go in File Explorer. Open up the ML folder, which stands for Magic Lantern. Open the logs folder and copy these two files to a safe location, because if anything happens to your camera and Magic Lantern just breaks something, you can use these files to restore the original firmware. Okay, so once you've copied the files, put the SD back into the camera, turn it on, and now you'll have Magic Lantern firmware installed. You can access its menu by pressing the trash icon. Press OK or Set, and voila, here it is. Well, thanks for watching this video. I hope it helped you install Magic Lantern on your Canon DSLR, and I'll see you next time. Oh, remember to watch the video where I installed CineStyle on this exact camera. It can help you with videos. Bye bye!